Hello everybody, today we are going to cook simple dish, broccoli stir fried with egg sauce. And what we need is about 400 grams of broccoli. Just put hot water on it, drench it for about a minute or so. Why we put hot water in the broccoli first is to preserve the green color. So when we quickly stir fry it, the broccoli will remain nice and green. First thing first, we gotta stir fry our broccoli. Turn on our heat on the wok, half a tablespoon of cooking oil. The oil heat up. This dish is actually very simple. Tiny bubbles coming on the side of the chopstick, it means our oil is hot enough. So what we do, just very quick stir fry of the broccoli. You can see here the sizzling. Now we don't need to stir fry the broccoli for long because the broccoli is half cooked already. A spoon of water so the broccoli doesn't get burned as you stir fry. Okay, our broccoli is done. We'll take it out. In the same wok, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, heat it up. Garlic, clove of finely chopped garlic. Ginger. Shiitake mushroom. Just a very quick stir fry. And it's very dry at the moment, but don't be too concerned because we're gonna put some water. We'll put about, I would say, about 50 ml of water. Turn down the heat. Next thing, we do our starch water. I had in here, there's about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in about 30 ml of water. And we'll thicken up our sauce, nice and thick. Sometimes, if you find the sauce is too thick, don't be too concerned. You can add on a little bit more water. In this case, I add on another 20 ml of water. That will make it about 100 ml. Sauce is thick. Now we'll crack an egg onto it. Break it quickly. We have half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, half a teaspoon of salt. As you can see, the sauce is very thick. You can pour onto our broccoli. Broccoli stir fry with egg sauce is done. Please enjoy.